Hello everybody, Johnny Oram finding Ono here. Today I am making shakshuka, and it's a very popular Israeli dish, usually served during breakfast. It's truly an amazing dish, and let me show you the recipes. Well, here you have it, folks. I got the chopped onions. Eggs is all about your preference on how many you want. I'm probably going to put 3 or 4. You got tomato, usually 1 or 2 tomatoes, bell pepper, 5 cloves of garlic, hot pepper, chop that up, and depending on how much heat you want, it's up to you. Half a cup of water. We got the cumin. I'm going to ground the cumin. Got the sugar, got the olive oil, got the tomato paste, got the paprika, got the ground pepper, a little bit of salt, and those are pretty much the ingredients. And again, eggs is all about preference on how much you want. Oh yeah, there you go. Get the butter and the olive oil in there. Absolutely. And then what we do is we got to take the chopped onions, right? Throw the chopped onions. Here we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. A big one big onion will do the job. And 5 cloves of garlic. Make sure you have this on medium heat, folks. Got the peppers here. Actually, let's get the green bell peppers. I didn't have any red bell peppers here. Couldn't find any, but this is fine, perfectly fine. And then you want the hot chili peppers as well. Perfect. Got the paprika in there and the salt. Mix it all up. Throw in the tomato paste and 2 large tomatoes. And you also want to throw a half a cup of water. And I'm using parsley. You can use cilantro, whatever you like. Absolutely. It's up to your preference, really. And got the egg yolks. Eggs is all about your preference, and you want to basically cover it for about a good 15 minutes or so. Voila. And there you have it. I topped it off with some chopped parsley and some chives. There you have it. You can use cilantro. And there you have it, folks. Shakshuka. Visit Israel. And when it's safe, everybody. When all this is all over, you can have a taste of Israel at home with this shakshuka. And I forgot to mention to you, when you have it, keep an eye on the heat of your oven or stove or what have you. There's different ways to prepare this. 15 minutes, depending on the intensity of your oven. You always want to keep on checking. But yeah, here you go. Enjoy. And there you have it, folks. Shakshuka. Take care, everybody.